This is rendered from Hanksters with a beautiful new arrival. It's a 67 Camaro True RS, has SS style badging, has a 2-inch column induction hood. It is a ZZ4 crate engine. It has all the brake work on this car is gorgeous, a beautiful paint job, flawless. All the glass is new, it's all tinted, with dual mirrors on it. You get to the doors on the inside, all the felts, all the rubbers. Somebody did everything right on this car. The door panels, all the interiors new. All the gauges are original style, Trac, everything works in it. The gauges in the console all work. It is a custom steering wheel. And the seat belts, everything's new. The car was done from end to end, the way you would want your car done. And you can see they didn't paint none of the bolts or anything, it was done apart. And the rubber is sealed because of the vacuum sealed because everything's so nice and new. The American Racing wheels are all brand new. It has BFGoodrich TAs in the front, 215/65s. These are 255/60s on the rear. The rear spoiler is true for an RS. The taillights are correct for an RS. The back valance with the back lights, RX correct again. And to show you inside the trunk. It is like brand new. You can't do any better. Just the car is clean. There's no surprises under the Mattering. It's just a beautiful car. New rubber around the trunk again, and even under here is all really attention to detail. All the trim right around all the windows is all really good. They're all tinted to match. They're tempered safety glass. And back again, the interior is all new. It is a Tremec 5-speed transmission. It actually has the correct 5-speed knob on it. And the dual mirrors, Chevy Bowtie badge on the mirrors. I'll show you under the hood here if you want. Again, it's a ZZ4 crate engine, 350 horsepower, or 350 crate engine, 355 horsepower. All new aluminum pulleys. It's a serpentine belt system with air conditioning. It has power disc brakes, power steering. The heavy duty radiator, aluminum radiator you would want. And everything, the equalizer, it's all new. Everything was done the way it was supposed to be. It has the AC Trac adapter. The long tube headers. Hideaway headlights, which is correct on an RS, and they work well. They converted to electric. The air dam's a factory for an RS. I really don't know what else you can say about this car other than somebody's going to get a really nice car and it's going to get a happy home. It's rendered from Hanksters Hot Rods with a new arrival. It is a 67 Camaro RS, a true RS. It has the SS350 badging on it. It is a crate 350 ZZ4 motor. It's 355 horsepower, a Tremec 5-speed transmission, and it has the long tube ceramic headers, front disc brakes. The exhaust is 3-inch with the cross H on it, and when you get to the floor pans and everything, they are clean. This thing is not patched, it's not putty. All new emergency brake cables, all new brake lines. The exhaust stays 3-inch the whole way through, even the tailpipes are 3-inch, full length behind the back tires like you're supposed to on a Camaro. It has the 410 POSI 12-bolt rear end, multi-leaf springs, traction bars, and air shocks. And they also put a new gas tank in this vehicle, so it is really, there's nothing you would do to it. It's ready to go. And now we're going to lower it down and